Check out this beautiful little beast. This is stock number 6320. It's a 2022 Hijet. It's done just 9,000 Ks, and I've never seen one that looks as beautiful as this. This is stunning. I'm absolutely mesmerized by this little pocket truck. It's so much fun to drive. It's a little go-kart, and it's a little off-road beast. It's fun around town. It's an easy to drive little automatic, and this is just loaded to the eyeballs with optional features that you can only get on a Hijet. There's other little key trucks that you can buy that are just white povo packs for lugging some hay on the farm. But this is something very special. This is a top of the range little beauty, and I'll go through some of the goodies you get on this one. There's a long list on this. It's got a lift kit for a start, so it's got this more aggressive stance, more ground clearance if you want to go off-road. Obviously it's got this little nudge bar here, front protection, and you can see all the chrome grills and special lights. This is a top spec model with the chrome pack driving lights here, and I've never seen one this color. This is a very rare color. I don't know if it's a special order color from the factory or not. You can see there it sits higher than standard, and it's got these aftermarket MX off-road alloy wheels and brand new open country all-terrain tires. These are not too big. If you put too bigger wheels and tires on these, it affects the gearing. This one, it runs beautifully. They're the right tire and wheel that doesn't affect the performance of the car. It's done 9,000 Ks only. It's got service stickers up to date from Japan. It's a non-smoker's car. It's a non-accident car. It's rust-free. It's just absolutely beautiful. It's like buying a new car, really. Central locking, keyless entry, electric windows. You might think that's pretty blasé, but on these, a lot of them don't have all these features. This is even a rare feature. Press this button, fold away electric mirrors. It might not be special to you, but it's special on a Hijet. You've got a button here for your rear light when you're working in the back at night. It's a good safety feature sometimes too. Steering wheel cover, heavy duty floor mats. These are beautiful Clasio seat covers. So underneath the seats are like new. These are very hard wearing. You can sit on that in your wetsuit. It won't wreck your seat. Look at this reverse camera. Thank you very much. Keyless push button start. 1 and 2 airbags, dual airbags. This little box up here tells me it's got radar braking, which is a great safety feature. It's also got more sophisticated switching gear in your four-wheel drive system. So that's your anti-collision radar braking. Looks like it's got parking sonar as well. It's got traction control as well, which you can turn on and off. Those are your driving lights. And this is pretty cool here. You've got this 3-way toggle switch that gives you from two-wheel drive lit up on the dash here. Press the button. It's now in 4-wheel drive with diff lock. And that's just automatic 4-wheel drive. So that's like a more basic 4-wheel drive, and you press this one here, that's 4-wheel drive with a rear diff locker. So this is a very, very capable off-road car whilst being automatic. That's the next level of sophistication. The earlier model autos didn't have that extra diff locker in the back. This is a really cool thing here, the overhead console. You can fit loads of gear here, and also this space here is excellent. You can put a couple of going away soft bags if you want to go on a trip. It's quite a good cargo space for carrying some gear, and you can lock it away. Upgraded stereo, some speakers in the back, LED lighting in the back. It's got a bed liner, weather shields, window tints. That's also your keyless entry button, so if you don't want to get your keys out, if you're carrying gear and you just want to walk up to the car, bump that with your finger or elbow, and the keys are in proximity of the car, you can unlock the car easily. Just little touches on this car. There's a little fuel flap protector there, which I like. It's got a brand new bed liner in the back, rubber. And this is interesting here too. This is a little rubber flap that keeps the water out of this area, which is a whole little storage area under there. You can keep that dry if you want to store some stuff and keep it out of the weather. Never seen that on one of these before. Rear protection bar. It's got rear mud flaps and front mud flaps. Different tail lights and this little rear protection bar as well, just here. I've not seen that either on these before. So it's absolutely pretty as a picture. I think this is a special colour, 2022. If you like what you're seeing, give us a call at Edward Lee's Imports. Our number is 02 9744 0539. My name is Phil Lee. That's my handsome face there. Thanks for watching this video. Hello. If you're watching this video from another part of Australia, call us for an interstate transport quote. We get very favourable rates and we can get this car sent anywhere in Australia for a pretty surprising price. Most people are surprised at how affordable it is to have this sent anywhere in Australia. The car comes with Australian compliance plates, which is a national compliance scheme. So this car can be registered in any state in Australia with the compliance plate that we put on it, and we can have it delivered to you with 3 months New South Wales rego, part of the deal. That's it, I'm ending the video. Thanks for watching. This is a very special Hijet. See ya.